Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to turn on live captions on Chrome. First, you want to go and search for Chrome on your PC. Then after opening it, you want to go and click on the settings or the three dots, vertical dots on the top right side. Then you want to go and navigate to settings on the right side as you can see. After you go to settings, you should search for live captions like so. Then you should toggle this option on and go and click on add languages. It will download speech recognition files and it will be for English by default. You can even add more languages. You can click on add languages, add Chinese, French, Indian, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, etc. So you have many languages that you can actually add, and it will just download the speech recognition files. After you download the speech recognition files, it will be able to show you a box containing the captions. And the good thing is that you can use it in multiple applications or multiple meeting platforms. So you don't have to do more than that. And if you want to cancel it, you just have to toggle this option off. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.